We're also keeping an eye on another company that may be trying to rebound here in 2023. Shares of Bed Bath & Beyond. They're actually kicking off the day higher by about 7%. The expiration date for its exchange offers for debt securities, it approaches following several extensions here. And you've been tracking this one extremely closely just to see.
Yeah, it's tied to 3 tranches of debt, and this was there was a poor reception to this a couple weeks ago. Hence, they extended this deadline. But if Bed Bath & Beyond is unable to just do this transaction, you're really wondering how deep they can make it into this year. They need to reduce that leverage on their balance sheet to just, I would say, fund inventory at this point. And I can't help but to think back to what Anthony Chukumba, Loop Capital, told us last week. He doesn't even expect him to be around for the holiday season of 2023. And just crunching the numbers on this company's finances, it definitely makes sense to me. Ultimately, they will report earnings January 10th, and that report is expected to be very, very ugly.
You know, of all of the declines we've been talking about in various stocks, the one in Bed Bath & Beyond is especially eye-popping. The stock fell by 83% last year, and that's after an 18% decline the prior year. So this is effectively a collapse in these shares that reflects some of what you were just saying from Anthony Chukumba and obviously other investors, despite the periodic memification of the stock, which is reflected in the chart there, where you see the little spikes here and there. Eventually, reality has to, come and hit home when it comes to the shares, and that is what has happened.
Yeah, and in weakness in the home market right now, something that cyclically Bed Bath & Beyond would need to bank on, at least at this point in time, is a strong registry year. You would need to see either registries for anything from weddings and nuptials and all of the arrangements that go along with that, as well as baby registries or any type of life event. And so I think if it's a weak registry season that they see and that traffic overflows into, say, my goodness, Restoration Hardware or into a Williams-Sonoma.
That's where I've gone for my registry. If that day ever happened, even at our age, I'm not going, Bed Bath & Beyond wouldn't be around. Why do you have to go to this company?
I mean, that's the thing. Even if, and you well know there's a lot of weddings this year.
Mad weddings this year.
We have talked about.
Mad weddings.
But the question is, you can be our anecdata as this goes on. As you go through the wedding season, I want you to report back to us, where are people registering? I can bet you it's not going to be Bed Bath & Beyond.
Target.
No,
Target has a big registry business.
I take some free nuts from Target for,
Yeah, so you can keep us posted on how that goes.
I hope they register at Target, honestly. Because, look, if I got to travel to the location, this is going to be unpopular for a lot of people whose weddings I'm coming to.
Register for some free food. You
my
get some
presence
machine.
is the gift.
Yeah.
Brad going to be sending this clip to his friends later today.
Social team. Let's get that on social. My presence is their gift.
My sister watches. She knows.
That's
fine. Love you, Laura. All right.